Welcome to Azure Data Engineer Interview Preparation Series by GrowthX Academy. Let's see the question now. What is Azure Data Factory? Where and how have you used it in your projects? Now, when this question is asked, let's try to give the answer from, the definition perspective. It's like, what the ADF is in general, then in your project, okay, where you have used and how you have used, like for ingestion, for transformation, and for error handling, etc., how you used. So let's see the answer now. Azure Data Factory is a fully managed, cloud-based data integration service provided by Microsoft Azure, and it's essentially designed for building, orchestrating, and automating data workflows that handle large-scale data movement and transformation. ADF is particularly useful in scenarios involving ETL, extract, transform, load, or ELT, extract, load, transform processes across on-premises and cloud environments. And it supports a wide range of data sources, including relational databases, file systems, APIs, and even other cloud platforms. And coming to my project experience in one of the project, a retail client, where the goal was to centralize sales and inventory data from multiple sources into a data lake, perform the necessary transformations, and then load the data into a data warehouse for analytics and reporting. In this project, ADF served as the backbone for ingesting data from diverse sources. Like, for instance, we had on-premises SQL Server databases, which required setting up a self-hosted integration runtime to securely transfer data to Azure. Also, additionally, I configured pipelines to fetch real-time data from REST APIs and integrate semi-structured files such as JSON and CSV from blob storage. When it came to transforming the data, I utilized ADF's mapping data flows for tasks like cleaning, filtering, and aggregating data. Also, for more advanced transformations, I integrated ADF with Azure Databricks. Like pipelines triggered Databricks notebooks to handle complex business logic, ensuring the data met the analytics team's requirements. I also designed the pipelines with reusability and scalability in mind. Like by parameterizing linked services and datasets, I ensured that the same pipeline could be used across development, UAT, and production environments. I also employed for each activities to process multiple files dynamically. Also, I built fault tolerance into the pipelines by configuring retries and implementing proper error handling logic. Like I used ADF's built-in monitoring features to track pipeline runs and set up alert notifications for failures. And one more thing, to optimize the performance, I implemented an incremental data loading mechanism. Like the pipeline identified and loaded only the new or modified data, which saved significant time and resources. Okay, and yeah, this is how I used ADF in my project.